Tuna fish is one of the most consumed seafood products in the world. Today, we go inside a tuna processing factory to see how fresh tuna becomes safe and, and clean and ready to eat canned fish. Fresh tuna arrives from fishing visuals and immediately inspected for quality and freshness. Fish are thoroughly washed to remove blood, slime, and impurities. Tuna is steam cooked to kill bacteria and make meat firm for easy cleaning. After cooking, skin, bones, and dark meat are carefully removed. Tuna meat is separated into grades for different products. Clean tuna meat is placed into cans by automatic filling machines. Oil water is added to preserve flavor and texture. Cans are sealed airtight to protect freshness. Sealed cans are sterilized using high temperature steam, and finally tuna cans are packed, boxed, and shipped worldwide.